Hi everybody, my name is Mike from Snow Peak, and today we're going to talk to you about the Takibi Fire and Grill. For those of you that don't know, Takibi is Japanese for bonfire, and for us it's the center of every gathering. Today we're going to talk through a little bit about the different components that come with the Takibi Fire and Grill, how to use it, and then how to have your own Takibi time at your own backyard. We got the Takibi Fire and Grill set here, and it's my favorite piece of Snow Peak equipment. This is the one I've used and abused for the last 3 years almost, and it's one of my favorite things in the Snow Peak line. Today we're going to talk about going through the full setup and how to best utilize the Takibi Fire and Grill so you can have a fun and safe Takibi time in your own backyard, campsite, or wherever. So, to start off, the Takibi Fire and Grill comes in this heavy canvas bag. This one's a little bit weathered, but just so you know, it can take the use and abuse over the last few years. It's got these big, heavy straps, and it has everything you need to start Takibi time. That being said, we are going to start with one little accessory that's not immediately included in the Takibi Fire and Grill set, but we definitely recommend it for a lot of the different Takibi experiences that you can have. So to start off with, the base stand is compatible with both the medium and large size pack and carry or Takibi Fire and Grill. And to get it going, all you're going to do is simply slide it together in these two little notches and make sure that you have the L pointing up. So that is the base of our Takibi Fire and Grill. Next, we have the base plate. So this is a nice big piece to make sure that it catches all of the ash so you don't leave any scorched earth, and also just to make sure you have an even safer Takibi experience. So this fits right onto our base stand, and it's going to fit right into these grooves on each of the four corners. You'll know that you set it up right when you look through these little holes, and you'll be able to see the base stand below. So once we have that set, we're going to add the centerpiece of our campsite, which is the Takibi Fire and Grill. So this is the size large pack and carry. It's the same legendary design that you know and love, and it's going to fit right into those notches. So you're going to want to make sure that it fits right into these notches. It's going to give you a really sturdy and safe and supportive experience. It's really easy to set up. All you have to just do is make sure that it aligns in these little grooves and you'll be good to go. So now that we have that set, we're going to add my favorite piece, which is the grill bridge. You guys know I love to cook. So the grill bridge fits on top of the Takibi Fire and Grill and has a few different levels, so you can sort of control the amount of heat that you're exposing to your cooking. The grill net pops on and off super easily, and so once you're done cooking, you can take this off and tend to the fire, logs, add more wood, coals, whatever you see fit. And that's it. That's the Takibi Fire and Grill.
Life is complicated. Here's to a simple life. We design ingenious solutions to make life easier. Anywhere life takes you, turn good moments into lasting memories. The Solo Stove Grill is designed to enjoy. Experience grilling, reinvented together.
Hey everybody, Erica here. So some of you might know the fire pit in terms of camping or your backyard. Today, I'm actually going to talk you through a few key features that will make it a terrific companion for your next tailgate. Let's dive in. So first, let's talk about the form factor of the fire pit itself. It is designed for easy transport. The rectangular shape and the folding legs make it really easy to pack in the back of your car while taking up minimal space. There's no awkward shapes to work around, and you can just kind of Tetris it into the back seat, maybe throw it on top of the cooler you're already planning to bring to the game. Plus, if you want to make things even easier, there's the optional solar carry case that you can throw right over your shoulder so that you can get everything out of the car in one go. So what makes this so great for a tailgate is it combines the social draw of a bonfire with the game day must-have of a quick cooking grill, because who wants to go to a tailgate if there isn't some warm food involved? The fire pit burns both charcoal and firewood, so you can decide whether it's time for a cookout or a hangout. And the best part, it's all smokeless. Let's take a look inside. So if you dive into the burn chamber of the fire pit, you're gonna see 3 tubes with 51 air jets. With the help of the airflow pack, those tubes and those air jets are injecting the fire with oxygen, and that's gonna improve the overall combustion of the fire. The result is you're actually burning all of the smoke before it has a chance to escape. So you get to have a hangout and a cookout without any nasty smoke. The fuel rack can be adjusted to your desired activity. You got the upper level here for charcoal and grilling, and then the lower level here for a bonfire with wood. Typically at a tailgate, whoever's manning the grill often gets parked in the corner. Not with the fire pit. The smokeless technology and X-ray mesh encourage you to hang with the whole crew and not miss a moment. All right, so I know that I'm in the lab, I know I'm not burning anything, and I definitely know I'm not cooking anything, but I wanted to show you for reference and scale the size of the fire pit and also call out one really cool thing about the height, which is that it is the perfect size to be cooking and grilling right from the comfort of your folding chair, which is perfect for a tailgate. Plus, let's say it's a really chilly game day, the bonfire is gonna give you some really nice warmth for the entire group. Not only does the airflow pack help you create a smokeless fire, it can also help you get to the game on time. The 4 fan settings help you control the intensity of your flames and can actually help you expedite your fire. If you select all the way up to turbo, it'll help burn your embers down to ash quickly so you can get to the game fast. Another benefit? This doubles as a backup charger. So let's say that you're all done with your burn and you've got some leftover juice to spare, but your phone's about to die. All you gotta do is detach it, plug in your phone, boom, instant backup power. This is really helpful if, let's say, you're streaming the game on your phone or you're just trying to communicate with your crew. Easy to set up, flexible activities, and a game day favorite that's gonna keep you at the center of everything. That is why you should bring the fire pit to your next tailgate. For grill-worthy recipes exclusively made for the fire pit, come on and visit us at bioliteenergy.com and find everything from creative kebabs to burgers with a twist. Thanks for watching.
Hej, jag heter Claes. Jag är produktchef på Primus. Vi står nere i labbet och prototypverkstaden här i Stockholm. Och jag tänkte visa Kamoto Open Fire Pit. Kamoto är en eldstad som även fungerar som grill. Eller tillsammans med våran Open Fire Pan. Den är också praktiskt som eldstad när det till exempel är eldförbud eller man befinner sig på ställen där man inte får elda direkt på marken. Så för att använda Kamoto så först lossa på remmen. Ta bort grillgallret. Vik ut bottenplattan som fungerar som själva markstödet och fäll ut benen. Se till att det låser sig i de två låsen här i fötterna. Inne i Kamoto så finns det 2 sidoplåtar och en bottenplåt. Börja med att placera bottenplåten i mitten och sedan de 2 sidoplåtarna som har spår i sidan av eldstaden. När de är på plats så lägger ni i veden och tänder på. För att använda som grill tillsammans med grillgallret så är en bra idé att vänta en stund tills man får en bra glöd, sprida ut den och sedan placera gallret ovanpå. Detsamma gäller om ni använder den tillsammans med Open Fire Pan. Placera den på och börja laga mat. Det här var alltså Kamoto Open Fire Pit.